We're going to break down a Shindaiwa T260 trimmer. I think we got a broken clutch spring or a broken clutch shoe. Head spins with the engine running. So we'll break it down. Let's see if we can figure this out. T260 was one of their better machines. They're all Shindaiwa trimmers are awesome machines. This is one of the bigger trimmers. .4mm Allen. That's what I'm using right now. So your clutch drum and shaft are right under here. So you have to separate the shaft from the power head. I'm going to say that the clutch springs are broke. Just a guess. Just a guess. I'm removing the tank skid guard support, which is all metal, aluminum. Another one of the things that made this a tough machine. Okay, there we are. And combination of things. So clutch spring is good and intact. clutch shoes themselves have give way. So we need a set of clutch shoes, but the clutch spring is good. It has a single spring. So on the clutch itself, these shoes go right here, and they have given way over time and come off. So everything's intact. Here's your clutch spring. So we're going to need a set of shoes. So I'll just unbolt those and go to my local servicing Shindaiwa Echo dealer and pick up a set, and we'll stick her back together. Thank you for watching.